Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix liquid detected in Lightning Connector. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to dry the Lightning connector. So if you're holding a dry iPhone in your hands right now, it is safer to first assume that the liquid detected alert is accurate. So keep in mind that while iPhones are water resistant, they are not waterproof. And additionally, not all iPhone models are water resistant. Therefore, if you drop your iPhone into the water or went swimming with it recently, it's highly probable that water got into the charging port. So the solution is to dry the charging port of your device. And in the future, if you do want to bring your iPhone to the pool or water sports event, you can consider purchasing a waterproof iPhone case that encloses your device entirely. And on the other hand, if you're sure that your iPhone has been nowhere near the water for the past several weeks, the liquid detected alert might simply be a glitch. In that case, let's move on to the other solutions, which is the troubleshoot the lightning cable. So the next step is to remove and reinsert the lightning cable into the charging port because the accessory may not have been recognized correctly. And if that doesn't work, you can also try a different lightning cable. If the alert only pops up when you use a particular cable, you'll know that the issue was with the cable, not your iPhone. And there are lots of cheap counterfeit Apple cables out there. It's always best to purchase official or MFI certified. So MFI stands for the made for iPhone accessories to present compatibility issues and the damage they might cause to your iPhone. And the next what you can do is to clean your iPhone's lightning port. So if debris is stuck in your iPhone's lightning port, it may also cause charging issues. You can use the SIM eject tool to clean gently or gently clean your iPhone's charging port and see if this resolves the liquid detected message. And you should not spray cleaning agents directly onto your device or use compressed air when cleaning your iPhone. And then you can also try restarting your iPhone. So the next solution is to just simply soft reset your iPhone. The procedure is also known as forced restart, and restarting is an effective solution for nearly all minor technical problems for any device. So it's definitely worth a try to get rid of the liquid detected alert. And then lastly, what you can do is to update your iPhone. So it is best to update your iPhone to the latest iOS if you haven't. So iOS updates carry bug fixes and performance improvements which may help resolve unnecessary warnings such as this one from popping up. So to do that, you just go ahead and go into your settings, general, and then software update on your iPhone to check if an update is available. And if there's an update available, you can just go ahead and download it into your iPhone. And that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.